Hello, my name is Jessica Lopez, and today I will be talking about the Learning Outcome 4.6 in Section 5, which is nucleic acids and protein synthesis, and also how DNA molecules store genetic information. So to begin with, nucleic acids are macromolecules found in cells and viruses. The function of nucleic acids has to do with the storing of genetic information. Nucleic acids are essential to all known forms of life. It is composed of nucleotides, carries molecules of the cells, and directs the process of protein synthesis. There's two most common nucleic acids, which are ribonucleic acid, it stands for RNA, and deoxyribonucleic acid, which stands for DNA. So, nucleic acids is the overall name for DNA and RNA. DNA is the blueprint for life and makes up genetic material in all living organisms and some viruses. RNA is the genetic material of certain viruses also found in living cells. So in the pictures right here, you can see how DNA is double helix and RNA is single helix. So moving on to protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is the process in which cells make proteins. There's two processes, which is translation and transcription. Protein synthesis is where it transfers genetic instructions in DNA to mRNA and nucleus, and translation occurs at ribosome, and it consists of RNA and proteins. So transcription transfers of genetic instructions and into DNA to mRNA in the nucleus, and translations occurs at the ribosome, and it consists of rRNA and proteins. So lastly, how DNA molecules store genetic information. DNA stores biological information in sequences of 4 bases of nucleic acids. The 4 bases are G, C, A, and T. The G stands for guanine, C stands for cytosine, A stands for adenine, and T stands for thymine. These bases provide everything to build any living organism, and it is strung along ribbons of sugar phosphate molecules, and it is in the DNA, which is double helix. And you can also see that the phosphate backbone of DNA molecules is the same. And to continue, this is my works cited page where I got all my information from. Thank you.